How to unpin a post from your profile on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First, you will just open your Instagram. Then as you see when your Instagram is opening, you will just go down to your profile here. Then you will go to the post that is pinned, that you pinned before, and you want to remove pin. For example, this video, I will click here on this 3 point, then I will go to unpin from profile, click on it, and now as you see, this video not pinned. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.